Rubic, a Hungarian architecture professor. Rubic created the cube as a learning exercise to teach his students about three-dimensional spaces. Little did he know his magic cube, as he originally named it, would become one of the world's most famous puzzles of all time.
For the first base, we will need to make a cross pattern using a white color, like this. So this is the cross pattern. After that, we need to find two colors from the middle beside each other. For examples, this, two orange and two green. Then go in the front. Then do this move. Up, right, down, left, up. Then all the first and second base colors in the mid are in the same colors. In the bottom. After we make these patterns, we need again to find two colors in the middle without yellow. So for example, these were orange and blue. So all we need is to do this step: left, up, right, down, then go in the front of white, then do the pattern again. Take the white out, up, left, down. Just repeat the pattern again and again like this: red, green, left, up, right, down. Blank spaces, if we can find a partner in this, we just do the step of up, right, down, then go in the white side, right, up, left, down. Then we will see a pattern with green and orange. Put this in the green and orange. Take it away. Left, up, right, down. Face the white. Right, up, left, down. And do it again in this. You can find a white piece for its partner. Then put again the blue and red. Take it away. Up, right, down. Face the white. Right, up, left, down. Then the colors for the second base. Next is we need to find two colors with white like this: orange and blue and white. Another one is red and blue and white. First, we need to put these colors in the middle of red and blue, like this. Go in the front where it faces the white, then do this step. left, up, right, down. So the white is in the bottom. Another example is this. Orange and blue. Just take it away. Then up. Put this again. Then down. Another put the white away. Up. And base. We will now go and focus on our third base, which is the yellow. When we see this pattern like this, 4 yellow or 3 yellow and a small L, or 3 yellow straight, we will do these steps where double up, go on the left side, down, left, up, bring it back on its white side, and down.
When we see this pattern, which it looks like a tank, go to any sides and do this step. Up, right, up, left, down, right, down. And if we see this pattern, which is cross yellow, go to any sides again and do again the H steps.
And if we see this pattern, we make the H steps again, which up, right, up, left, down, right, left, right, down. If this pattern keeps showing up, move to the other side and do the H steps. Do the H steps until the fish pattern show up. Pattern. This is the tail and the head. Now go in the front of the head like this and find where the yellow cube. After you find the yellow cube, which is in this side, go in front of it and do these steps, which up, left, down, left, up, double right, then down. If this happened where all the colors are the same and one different, which is red, go on the left side, do the H steps. Then if we see the fish pattern again, go in its head, find the yellow cube, which is in this side, and then do this move. Up, right, down, right, base, where we can encounter 3 possible ways to solve it. So as we can see, the blue needs to be put in here, and orange needs to be put in this side and green in the opposite side. So go in the front or in the middle, and then we do this step: up, right, up, left, up, right, down. Where blue need to be put in this left side, we do the same step but to the left. So up, left, up, right, up, left, down, left, double up. And if this case happened where the middle colors need to be put in the opposite side, go in any sides and do these steps: mid, right, mid, right, mid, right, mid. And if this happens, where orange need to be put in these sides and green need to be put in these sides, as well as these colors where blue are need to put in this side and red are need to put in this side. So we go here and then we do this step: mid, right, mid, right, mid, right, mid, right, mid, right,